Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2015 Mathematics Past Question 4. Factorize 2y squared minus 15xy plus 18x squared. 2y squared minus 15xy plus 18x squared. Now we have 2y squared minus 15xy plus 18x squared, and we're asked to factorize this. Now, factorizing this, we'll have 2y squared. Now look for two numbers that when added together will give us minus 15x, and when multiplied will give us, when added together will give us 15 minus 15, and when added will give us what? 18, and when multiplied will give us 18. Now these two numbers is minus 12 and minus 3, because minus 12 minus plus minus 3 will give us minus 15, and minus 12 times minus 3 will give us plus 18. So we'll now include the coefficient, which is xy. So we have minus 12xy minus 3xy plus 18x squared. Now factorizing these two first, we have 2y into y minus 2x close bracket. We have y minus 6x, sorry, because 2y into 12xy, 2y times 12x times 6x will give us 12xy. So we have 2y into y minus 6x, then also minus 3x into y minus 6x. Now opening this, we'll have 2y minus 3x into y minus 6x. Now this is the answer to this question, and that is option A. Option A is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.